Hi, in this video we are going to show you the unboxing of the MII Ant Cam and what you get in the box and what is the relevance of each and everything that you get inside the box. So let's open it. So as soon as you open the box, you get a card, a welcome card, which tells you that wish you the great pictures. And you have predominantly 1, 2, and 3 components. This is the iron plate, which you can keep aside as of now. And this is the ring. I will let you know that what is the use of this ring. Basically, this is the device which you can take it out like this. So let me tell you that this is the device which would work with most of the slit lamps. There are very old slit lamps sometimes where you have eyepiece quite narrow in diameter. That's where you have to use this ring, but which is rarely required. So I would recommend use all the time this alone, and this would be sufficient. And you would be seeing how to use it in next video. So this is the device which predominantly you would be using it. Now let me tell you that how you use the iron plate and how you basically configure that, how to align your smartphone with the device. Now if you look at the smartphone, so any smartphone would work, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, everything works. So first and foremost, what you need to choose is you need to find out the primary camera of your phone. How do you find out the primary camera? Is just open your camera and keep blocking your cameras from behind. And the camera which blocks your view, for example, I am blocking here. It is not blocking, but I am blocking this one. So this blocks my view. So that is the primary camera. So if you look at this primary camera, this is the primary camera here. Now what you need to do is, this is the round circle here, an opening. So that opening has to be aligned with your primary camera if you see. Now if you see, that's how the alignment comes. So you just need to roughly align and see, where this is the magnet area, that where this magnet would be placed and would come in approximation of this phone. So that's where you have to take out this iron plate and keep it. So there are 2 ways that you can use the iron plate. One is there is a sticker there. You can put it and stick it at your cover, or you can just put it here and then your cover can go on it, for example like this. We highly recommend that you can have a transparent thin cover. Although any cover would work, we have tried to check different types of covers, and means most of the covers they work, no problem, but still the recommendation is transparent thin cover. That would be most appropriate. So if you look at now, it gets attached here. Always whenever you align this and you put your iron plate and this is attached, always check how your holding is. Holding should be really, really tight. So if you look at, in whatever way you move it, it does not fall. So this testing has to be done before you start imaging, okay? So you can see that, it does not really fall in any way. It does not really move at all. So that's how you align this.